Traders high. So just a quick watch list touching on, I'm just going to touch on two stocks today. First of all is ITUS, and I've been sort of talking about this for a little while. It had a considerable breakdown, high volume, and hit the low of 422, and the low of the day was 415. So closed out yesterday's session at 435, which was down 12.83%. So I mean, it's how I would play this is, now I haven't been able to get shares to short. What I might do is sort of get a small position and just sort of have it in there with a pending order around. I mean, there's a little bit of support. First of all, you want to find the support. A real breakdown would be below the low of the previous day. I would see it, And the problem with this is that it's quite bouncy, and especially at the start of the day, it can get quite volatile. So it might just bounce up. Who knows? I mean, they're going to probably put out a press release. So this one is a little bit dicey, to be fair. Volume not too bad at the final 5 minutes. Again, though, I've tried to get shares to short here. I tried at 450 as well, and that was that on this candle here. Yeah, so if we can get another candle like that after it sort of comes up a little bit, and then that's what I'd like to see, a minor sort of rally, and then you might get to the high of this candle here at 470s for early 80s, and then crash down back to under 450. And then I might, if I see that, I might just try and just hold the shares there and try and get them to short. I don't see this as a really long play, to be honest. I mean, it might, as I said, it might rally up a little bit, but it's come up a lot recently. So again, I'll watch at the market open to see what goes on, because apparently there's been some paid promotion going on, and there's been a bit of pumping, and that reflects in the chart. All right, so MGTI. Now I saw another individual put up was like a watch list thing on the sympathy play, and I fully agree with that. And I've discussed this in the past, so we'll get the Bitcoin chart up, and we're nearly at 4,200. So we've had a little bit of a rally. If this can continue throughout to this New York Open tonight, then I'd be looking for a potential buy trade here. MGTI I've invested heavily. I'll try not to spin on the keyboard. MGTI I've invested heavily into Bitcoin mining technology as one of their streams of operation. So if the price of Bitcoin goes higher, they make more money per day of operating their mining equipment. So high of day was 286. So I mean, if we can hover around there, and the catalyst obviously would be Bitcoin and the price of it. Yeah, so it's uptrending pretty nicely on the 5-day. How's the 10-day looking? It's a little bit flat, but it's still really, I mean, it's closed out the high of the day over the 10-day. 1 month. It's down a little bit on the 1 month. Went high up to 426. Sort of cleared recent resistance. There's some resistance here. I mean, you could aim for 314, so there's probably 30 cents a share there possible. It just needs a little bit of catalyst to encourage the rally, that's all. So if we go back to the 5-minute, so what I'd sort of like to see is just some consolidation, and we get something like this, then I would probably get into it with the low being the mental stop, and see if we can get to 320-ish. So if that's around 290 to 320 potentially, would be something I'd be looking for. Again, I'd like to see a potential press release just on Bitcoin price and this and that, and there's quite a lot of them that are coming out, so I'll keep my eye on that. It's up a little bit as well, so definitely watching MGTI as well, guys, for a potential buy trade. Just because ITUS, I'm just not really, I'm realistic. If I can't get shares to short, it's not the end of the world. So, and the other plays are a little bit too, they're a little too scary for me. Very choppy, and things just aren't behaving as they should really. This seems to be a consistent little correlation, and we're already at 4,200. So just as I speak. So it's definitely interesting, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll keep everyone updated with another video sort of during the mid-session of New York, which will be about midnight my time. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.